Hi everyone and welcome to my session. After discussing the interview questions like tell me something about yourself and why should we hire you, now we'll discuss the interview question why do you want to join this company? Well, this question is also generally asked at the time of the interview. By asking this question, the interviewer wants to know that how much the candidate knows about the company in which he is facing the interview. Moreover, the examiner also wants to know, does the candidate know about the products and services of the company? Does he have full information about the company? Is he fully interested in this job? So, to answer to this question, go through the website of the company before facing the interview to get full information about the company, like what are the products and services of the company, when was this company founded, what was the growth rate of the company last year, how many branches the company has in the world, how reputed the company is, etc. One more thing I want to tell you here, don't try to mention money or salary. Instead of it, say, I want to join this company to gain more knowledge and make my career, because many educated, experienced, and professional people work in this company. So I want to gain more knowledge by working with them. If you want to have an idea about how to answer to this question, let's have an example to the question, why do you want to join this company? Sir or ma'am, before coming here, I went through the website of this company and found it's one of the best companies in the world. It has many branches all over the world. Moreover, the employees are well educated, experienced, and professional. It's a software company dealing with international clients and providing them better service. I think I'll be the luckiest person if I join this company because I can develop my technical as well as my communication skills by working here. To gain more knowledge and make my career, I want to join this company. So in this way, you can answer to this question. I hope this will help you clear your interview easily and confidently. So try to make practice to achieve your goal, because practice makes a man perfect. We'll discuss the other topics very soon. Thank you very much.